Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro USD and GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So dollar rises on hawkish Fed remarks. Dollar index rose above 106.8 on Tuesday, reversing a three-day decline as Federal Reserve officials signaled that the central bank should refrain from rushing to resume interest rate cuts while it remains focused on curbing inflation. You must be knowing that whenever market talks about rate cuts, we see pressure on the chart of DXY. And if there is pressure on the chart of DXY, then we see upside on the chart of Euro USD and GBP USD. But right now, after the speech from the Federal Reserve officials, okay, we can see that after this long downtrend, DXY is showing signs of recovery because they are saying that there is no rush for rate cuts. So it's kind of a good news for dollar. So we can see that market structure has changed technically. DXY was trading in a narrow range because of the President's Day on US yesterday. It was a holiday, and market structure is also slowly changing to higher highs and higher lows. Not very significant movement in the market, but technically we can see that DXY is no longer bearish because we can see that there is a structural change here. Obviously, DXY needs to cover a long road for a complete trend reversal, but at least this is the starting here. So right now we can see that DXY is standing at 107.2 and almost standing at the FIBO. You can see FIBO 0.236. Personally, I feel DXY will have to break 107.50. Then only we can expect that finally DXY is having some bull power and we can expect some upside. Until unless DXY breaks 107.5, 107.6, the pressure on DXY will remain. So this upside, this recovery is not going to be an easy one. And as the market was in extreme selling pressure, every resistance will cause some trouble. And 107, okay, this support is still present in the market. Usually when market forms lower lows, lower highs, supports do not work, but the market structure has changed. So if market drops, we can expect 107 to provide support to the market as of now. And if we look at the economy, Canada, my dear friends, we can see today we have some news coming up, but not a major event. But yes, we have news on GBP as well. So GBP lovers, you need to be a little bit careful because there will be some volatility. In the US session, though, we have a news coming up, but not a major event that can change the direction of the market. So we can expect some volatility, some spikes. That's it. And my dear friends, this is the Forex sentiment meter. And Forex sentiment meter tells us about the position of the retail traders. And as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money. So usually it's better to go against the sentiment meter. But here we can see that Forex sentiment meter is also showing indecision. Retail traders are also a little bit clueless about the direction, and almost we can see a 50-50 scenario here from the buyers and sellers. So retail traders are also confused about the next direction of the market. Okay, so this is the hourly chart of Euro USD in front of us, and DXY was in downtrend, Euro USD was in uptrend. DXY was forming higher highs, higher lows, so we can see just the opposite here. Okay, we can see Euro USD forming lower highs and lower lows here. Okay, but DXY is right now standing at FIBO 0.236, so okay, we can expect some sort of upside here. And on the chart of Euro USD, I don't see, or on the chart of GBP USD also, I don't see any strong trading opportunity. So if you are looking for a good trade, proper trade, okay, or if you are looking for a solid trade setup, then obviously Euro USD or GBP USD should not be in your position right now. Why? Because there is a transition going on, and whenever there is a transition, okay, things are not very clear. So I'll suggest you, if you're looking for some solid trades, it's better to look for some trade setups outside. But if you only trade on Euro USD, GBP USD, then obviously you can stick to it. Okay. But personally, I believe that we should be loyal towards making money, not towards any particular pair. Anyways, on the chart of GBP or Euro USD, at this moment, I personally feel 1.0438. Okay. is the best level to look for a buy position, because the previous resistance will be working as support here. Along with that, we can also see we also have support around this area. You can see we have the FIBO 0.236 around 1.0440. So I feel that around 1.0440, 1.043 we have the best support if EURUSD comes down. But we also need to check what DXY is doing. If you see that DXY is continuously rising, then obviously it will be better for us to avoid. So apart from this 1.044038, I don't see any other trading opportunity on EURUSD. For example, if EURUSD goes up, then we can also look for a sell around this area. But I don't think so. Okay, it's worth taking the risk. Okay, so let's wait and watch. On the chart of GBPUSD, okay, we do not see the exact replica. Okay, usually Euro USD, GBP okay, they move similar, but here we can see that GBP USD is not forming lower lows and lower highs. Rather, GBP USD is trying its best to go for a breakout. So here on the chart of GBP USD, we can look for a buy above 1.2630, because already the market has tested twice, and we can see that market is still trying to go for a breakout. So if GBP USD breaks to 1.2630, we can look for a buy above it. And if you don't want to take risk at breakout, because sometimes buying at breakout is riskier because of false breakout, so what you can do is after the breakout, wait for some time. When the same level will become the new support, you can enter again around 1.2630, because when it will be bouncing back, your risk to reward ratio will be in your favor, because buying at retracement is always better and safer in comparison to buying at breakout. And if market drops on the current level, we can also look for buy around 1.2566 and 1.2540. These are the two levels where we can look for a buy because of previous resistance working as support. 1.2566, 1.2565 is not a very strong level, okay, but 1.2540 is a better level to trade. Okay, and we are considering, because let me show you. Okay, yeah, see, 1.2540 is not only the previous resistance working as support, but also we have FIBO 0.236. Okay, so if market drops on the current level, we have 1.2565 area if the fall is weak. In case of a larger fall, heavier fall, we can look for a buy on 1.2540. Already market is standing at the 50 moving average and trying to take support, because Euro USD is showing signs of retracement. You can see selling pressure is there, but GBP USD is not ready to surrender. But we have a news coming up, don't forget. Okay, during the news, things may change. And if it goes up, we can look for buy of 1.2630 if you see that there's a solid breakout, or you can also buy retracement. So let's wait and watch. Okay, that's all from my side, my defense. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.